Here's the useful tip of the day. You can use all kinds of things to create textures. So you can use Q-tips, craft brushes, just dip the craft brush in paint and you can just splatter around. Now your Q-tip can do the same thing. And this could make interesting marks. I like it when there's less paint on it and it leaves less marks, but put a bunch of them together and you have some great effects. Now, the other thing you can do is take an old bottle, you paint the bottom like that, and create marks like that. So that's the tip of the day. We'll see you in the next video.